Sir, just one moment.
Can you please hurry up?
Restaurant billing takes time. Manual bills cause errors and confusion. Meet Restaurant Invoice Generator, a smart Google Sheets tool for simple fast billing. Create and print invoices in one click, free and professional. Here's how it works. Open the order invoice sheet. Add the customer name. Enter the table number. Select the order type, dine-in, takeaway or delivery. Now add items one by one and click Add Item each time. Your selected items, quantities and prices instantly appear below. Once done, click Generate Invoice. Next, go to the print page and your professional ready-to-print invoice appears instantly. It's that easy, smart, simple and efficient. 7 smart features in one tool. Order invoice, print, invoice log, customers, settings, configurations and items. Start using Restaurant Invoice Generator today. It's smart, simple and completely free.